What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi there. So in today's video, I want to discuss with you guys how much YouTube paid me for a YouTube Shorts with over 700,000 views. And you're probably wondering, well, this channel only has like 90 subscribers at the time. Well, this is my secondary channel, my main channel, MTG Productions, which has over 33,000 subscribers. That is where my YouTube Shorts is, and that is where I got over 700,000 views. So pretty much anything that I really do discuss about YouTube and the stats and whatnot are based on that channel. I want to share them on a separate channel, which is this one, talking about finance and money related things. So let's dive right in. First things first, I'm going to pull up my channel. And here I can see my most popular YouTube Shorts. And the first one is why I love the iPad Mini 6. I put out this short literally just about a year ago, at the beginning of January of 2023. And as of right now, it has over 706,000 views. That's pretty good. Actually, that's my most viewed video, even with long form combined. My longest long form is like 402,000. So this surpassed it in just 1 year, which is great. My next YouTube Shorts, 218,000 views, how I use my iPad Mini 6 in 2023. Again, it's iPad Mini 6 content. If you see on screen, a lot of these are like why you should buy iPad Mini 6, iPad Mini 6 car interior, iPad Mini 6 for the win. A lot of them are iPad Mini. Out of these 12, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them are about the iPad Mini 6. Nonetheless, let's pull up the stats. And here's the thing. I'm gonna, right off the bat, they're not the greatest. I mean, the views wise, they're great, but monetization for shorts is not that great. And actually, I'm gonna have to go to analytics. There you go. $21.52. So 706,000 views since it was published. And you can see right here, I published it like Saturday, January 21st. So about a year ago. And in the last 2 days, so 48 hours, I got 1,044 views. So still getting views, and there's a lot of search. 60% of views are coming from YouTube search, and another 26 was from the browse feature. But 706,000 views, I gained 521 subscribers, so thank you for those who subscribed. And I earned $21.52. That is like, wow. So pretty much for every 1,000 views, I was earning 3 cents with YouTube Shorts. I think YouTube can work on their Shorts monetization policies or whatever. Even right now, TikTok is pushing out longer form videos. So if you push out a minute or longer form videos, then their monetization is better. And there have been months where I've earned $600 to $650 from just uploading like a 1 minute and 30-second video. And it's pretty much the same thing. I just pick up my phone right here and I hit the record button and I make quick content, and I'm earning more money on TikTok than I am with YouTube Shorts. And currently TikTok's creativity program beta is pretty much pushing 1 minute longer videos. So, I mean, if you're making less than a minute videos, they're not going to be getting or be being paid as much. But nonetheless, like looking at this YouTube Shorts, 700,000 views, and I only made not even $22, $21.52. That is crazy. Compared to the views, that's 3 cents per 1,000 view. Come on, I think we can do better than this. So what I'm planning to do this year is also obviously up the amount of videos I'm producing, which I've got a plan for that, and that's to minimize my workflow and to really simplify it, or to master it so I'm quick as possible while keeping the quality high content. And on those days where I don't upload long form, I'm going to upload short form content, YouTube Shorts. And at this point, I'm not really looking at the revenue when I push out YouTube Shorts. It's more of just getting out the views and gaining some subscribers, and also, you know, bringing in new subscribers and new viewers to the channel, so then they can subscribe and then end up watching my long form video. So I'm not too concerned about this, but there has been a lot of, ever since I believe YouTube started monetizing their shorts like last year, February of 2023. And as you can see right here, like I was really making nothing like the first week or two. Then I started making some sense. There we go, like $1.41. Then it went up, and it kind of has been going really like a cent or two a day. I'm still in the 14s, and right now I'm at 21. So it kind of went up in like March to April-ish, and then it kind of slowed down again. So it's been about a year since YouTube Shorts has been monetizing, the videos. So I'm not really too focused right now on the revenue. But again, for those who are wondering, how much do you get paid for this many views? Here's what it is. And just keep in mind though that the niche is important too. Like this is a tech video, so it may vary. You may make more per 1,000 views. It may not be 3 cents, it may be 10 cents, it may be 20 cents per 1,000 views. Then it would change. But in the tech niche, for me at least, I've been getting 3 cents per 1,000 views with nearly 706,000 or views, not subscribers. I wish I had that many subscribers. But there it is. And I hope you guys did enjoy, just so you can get a little sense of understanding of how much I'm getting paid for a certain amount of views on YouTube Shorts. If you're interested in more YouTube content, YouTube finance related content, generally just general finance related content, definitely be sure to subscribe to the channel. And also definitely be sure to check out my main channel, MTG Productions, as I am pushing out a lot of tech content. That is my main channel. So I'm really focused on that. But I definitely will be pursuing this channel too, as I get more time to invest into this secondary channel. Definitely be sure to stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.